Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today's video is pretty embarrassing. I am showing you my extremely messy house, and we are going to deep clean room to room to get ready for spring. I've shown you my messy house before, but Amanda, my manager, told me to leave my house as messy as possible for this video, so I really went with that. What you're about to see is slightly shocking. This is kind of a different video for us because we're gonna put music over it. It's gonna be very vibey. I'm gonna tidy the house as well as do those more deeper cleaning tasks. And I really hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, watch me clean. So satisfying. There's nothing like a satisfying clean with me. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today I'm tackling all those things that have been in the back of my mind. Whenever I look at them, I'm like, oh, I need to do that thing. And I just never do it because who has time to wash their shower curtain? I always find that spring is a really great time to just give my house a refresh and do all those things that I don't normally do. I want to preface this video by saying it is still winter here in Canada.
It's darn cold out.
There still is going to be a lot of things to do at the end of this video when the weather gets warmer, like clean the window screens, clean our patio, things like that.
Good job.
I was Josh Safdie's muse when he wrote Uncut Gems.
Right.
Do you know what I mean? Things like
Right.
that.
But I would also really love to hear from you guys. What are things you do to deep clean your house? Do you do it in spring? Do you do it in winter? I want to hear your cleaning hacks down in the comments. So my list for today, let's start with the kitchen. I need to clean the microwave. Have not cleaned it since we moved in a year ago. I also need to clean the dishwasher, which, is so bad. It's so gross in there, you guys. So we're gonna just tackle that together. Then we're gonna move up to the bedroom and I'm going to steam all the throw cushions in my house, the decorative throw cushions that can't be put in the wash. I'm also gonna steam my bedroom curtains and I'm gonna give them a little refresh. Then we're gonna move into the bathroom. I'm going to wash my shower curtain and change the liner. That seems like a good amount to tackle today, so let's get started in the kitchen. We're gonna tidy this all up first and then get into the gross spots. Why do we have 8 boxes of cashew cereal? Couldn't tell you. Why do we have an open jar of pickles? Also couldn't tell you. Can someone tell me why this was left out all night? Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Oh, this is so embarrassing, you guys. I really need to know if other people's dishwashers look like this so I don't feel as bad as I do right now. Specifically, down there. There's a match. I can see a literal match in there. Why is there a match at the bottom of the dishwasher? Why? Okay. Here we go. Oh my, okay.
Disgusting!
Sorry, I'm speechless right now. Both mortified and in awe that we have been washing our dishes in this.
That's gross.
Yeah.
That's gnarly, man.
Okay, so there's water down here. It's like a mucky pond. And I guess I have to scrub in there too, right? go, but that's coming off pretty easily. Okay, so I'm gonna let that soak for at least 30 minutes in the vinegar water mixture. And while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna like clean in here. So a lot of the online blogs say to use vinegar and then baking soda. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, but I also really feel like I need to scrub some of this out. It's stuck on the sides. So I might go in with baking soda, I might go in with vinegar, but yeah, it needs a scrub for sure. Okay guys, vinegar and water is working to get all these like spots off. So we need to still let the filter soak, but I've scrubbed the inside with vinegar. It looks really good. I thought I would have to get like sudsy and get dish soap in there, but water and vinegar worked just fine. So while we're letting this soak, before I do a rinse with vinegar and turn the dishwasher on, we're gonna tackle the microwave. So to clean the microwave, I am using 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, a bit of lemon, and I'm going to pop it in the microwave and let it do its magic. I've never done this before, I'm excited. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I feel like that's supposed to be steamier, guys.
What's it supposed to do? How long?
Ooh, that's hot, but we need more steam. Okay guys, I can see it's steaming in there. I just needed to do it for longer. Maybe my microwave isn't as strong as other people's. Oh yeah, it smells vinegary in there. Do you see the steam coming off? So essentially you need this to like boil. It smells so nice and fresh now in here. Okay, would recommend that hack, friends.
Science, guys.
Science rules.
This looks pretty good compared to when we started. What I'm finding is that there's still a bit of soap buildup like in the mesh, but there's no food, and I can see through it now, which is amazing. This filter, same thing. There's a lot of buildup, but the baking soda and vinegar combined really helped. If you really can't get the food out of the mesh, I would suggest using a little toothpick to get into the squares, but my squares are pretty clear. So I'm gonna pop these back in, and then I'm gonna do a vinegar rinse in the dishwasher. I'm pouring 1 cup of vinegar, just like that, and then I'm just placing it in the top rack, and I'm gonna put the dishwasher on a hot cycle. Okay, are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's see if this worked. Oh, lots of steam. Everyone needs to gather around.
Gather round, everyone.
This is amazing. Oh my goodness, that filter. This is wild, you guys. Brand new. Now I'm gonna start loading. Now that I've tackled the kitchen, it's time to move on to the bedroom. One thing I love to do to refresh my space for the new season is use my steamer, just like my handheld steamer, and steam my curtains and throw cushions that can't be put into the wash. And I love adding essential oils like peppermint, tea tree, or lavender to my steamer because it makes your curtains and throw cushions smell so good, and is also a great way to deodorize and clean. If you have fabric like velvet or anything else that can't be put into the actual washing machine without it getting ruined, using this trick is a great way to clean your upholstery. If you have pets, make sure you're using pet-safe essential oils, and always check with your vet before you clean or diffuse essential oils in your home.
You can probably see my legs.
You can see my legs, see my legs. I didn't know if these stains were gonna come out of the shower curtain. I don't even know where the top is anymore because the stains are gone. Look, look. There's like a tiny bit of residue at the bottom, but wow. So the first thing we're gonna do in here is change the shower curtain liner. Not as gross as it could be, but we're refreshing the other shower curtains. We may as well change the liner. I always stock up on these from the hardware store. They're $4. IKEA also has really good ones. I'm gonna put the front one on first. Yay! Feels so good to have this checked off my list. I have been staring at the shower curtain for months. I'm gonna finish cleaning the bathroom. Now it feels so fresh. So next up, we are gonna tackle the living room. I'm gonna take off all the cushions on the sofa. I'm gonna vacuum underneath the sofa, give these cushions a good steam. Also, Lottie followed Amanda's instructions, made a mess as well in here. I didn't clean it up. I like really understood the assignment, you know? Last night's dinner dishes? This is so embarrassing. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. It feels so good to have all of those cleaning tasks checked off my list. Let me know in the comments down below what you really need to clean in your house. I want to know all your secrets. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.